Hi, it's George from OCAM 4x4. Today we're going to do a fitting on the D-Max 2020 onwards bonnet guard. First, what you'll get is you'll actually get two mounting brackets just here, your bonnet guard, some clear tape to protect your bonnet from any scratching from the clips, and you'll notice that the actual bonnet guard comes with double-sided tape which will get stuck onto the bonnet. First things first, you'll grab the two clips. You'll notice that one of them has a plastic head. This will stay on top of the bonnet guard. The bonnet guard itself has two specific slots where the clips actually go. You line it up and just put the screw back in over the top. Just for the time being, leave it nice and loose. You can see the clip from underneath, nice and loose, so we can actually just line it up with the bonnet. Just repeat the process for the other side. All right, the next step will be just to line up the bonnet guard onto the actual bonnet. So as you can see, it's cut out. You can see how it goes there. The clips will just go in on the underside. Now, if they don't go over the top, you just loosen that up, just so you know exactly where it's going. Once you've placed the bonnet guard just loosely on top of the bonnet in the correct position, you'll be able to just mark where that center of the bracket is on each side. And what you're going to do is then remove the actual bonnet guard. You'll grab those clear strips and just stick them on gently over the top, just so you can protect the bonnet from any scratching from those actual clips. So just about the middle. Just like that, and you'll repeat the process on the other side. Now you'll notice on the D-Max 21, there actually isn't an existing hole to screw in the actual screws. So what we're going to do is, once the bonnet guard is placed, we're just going to tighten the bolt from underneath the screw, just so it sits nice and firm up against the bonnet. So as you can see, the clip is just over the top, and then all you need to do is just tighten that up against the bonnet. Repeat the process on the other side. Make sure the screw is actually loosened so the clip can actually go over the top of the bonnet. Once it's in that position, you can then tighten that nice and firm up against the bonnet. Once that's done, you can actually see that it's actually perfect. All you need to do is actually just tighten these up. The bonnet guard is now on. For the last step, your double-sided tape, make sure the area is clean, which we've cleaned beforehand. Peel that off and you'll stick it into position. And you'll repeat the process on the other side. Once it's on, just push firmly on where the double-sided tape is. That side should be now complete. And all we do is repeat the process on the other side. Same deal, just run your finger on it nice and smooth. Just double check the bolts, make sure they're nice and tight. And there you have it. That's the install of the Isuzu D-Max 2020 onwards bonnet guard. Thanks for watching.